this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a suit sleeve this clean. You can see how it is in this picture. You can see how the top is very curved and all. I'm going to explain to you how to achieve this. Just stick with me to the end of this tutorial to learn. So let's get into it. So first of all, you need this stuff. It's called tailor's ham. Tailor's ham. There are a lot of different variations of it. So this is it. You can see how it is. You can just meet your if you have a carpenter to construct this for you. You can see how it is. There are two. I have about three, a longer and a slimmer one, and then a shorter and a fatter one, like this. This is this one. So the use is, you can see once you are done with your suit, you can see this. I'm done with my suit, and of course this thing, the tailor's ham, is not going to excuse a shabby work, you get. So you have to do a very clean work, then this will enhance the work. So you can see the use of this is that you can see how the curved edge just fits into this size of suits. So you can have them in different sizes for different sizes of suits. So you can see how it fits into this exactly and perfectly well. So you can just arrange it like this. So I'm showing you the top view. I'm going to show you the side view as well. So you just arrange it like this. Get your iron, and of course you just iron the top like this, and then the most important part you need to iron is the shoulder. Yeah, this part, you just iron it like this. Okay, you cannot see the part I'm ironing properly, but I'm going to show you the side I'm ironing when I get to showing you the side pattern. So just stick with me to the end. Just keep watching and you're going to learn. Don't rush, don't fall this, you just watch. Okay, so you're going to cool it down. What I'm not ironing the main sleeve. What I'm ironing is shoulder, just that part that that's attached to the sleeve. That's what I'm ironing. Okay, so just iron it like this. So you keep ironing it, and then it's going to carry out the shape of the tailor's ham at the end of the day. So that's how to get a very good finishing. So just keep watching and you understand how I'm doing it. So you just do the same thing to the side as well. Sorry, to the back part. You can see you do the same thing to the back part. Do the same thing to the back part. See it. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to do so. I'm giving you value day in, day out. Just hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Hit this and hit the thumbs up button to tell me well done, and then you can comment in the comment section also to tell me well done. Just tell me whatever you think about this video. So the next time, you can see I'm ironing the sleeve now. I'm ironing the sleeve to remove the a crease on the sleeve part, and of course most people don't like it. Well, I like it. I like ironing this side. So you just pull it down and you complete the ironing you started on the sleeve part. You can see it ironing the sleeve. Like I said, this would not excuse you if you do the shabby work. This cannot help you at all. This is just going to enhance what you've already done while you were sewing. Okay, it's just going to enhance what you have done. You can see it just made it to look finer. So you can see now I can iron the top of the sleeve now. So you can see how I was doing it. You can see the side view. You can see how I'm doing it. You can see the side view. What I'm ironing is just that part. I'm not ironing the top of the sleeve. You can see it. So let me zoom out. So that's that. You can see. So you turn and you iron the back as well, just like I explained. Iron the back as well. This. So easy. And of course you can only do this and get it right if you've already fixed your sleeve very well. If you don't know how to fix the sleeve of a suit, I have a tutorial I explained that explicitly. However, I also have a course, a full course on suit making from the beginning, from the drafting, in fact, from how to take suit measurement for a suit, from how to take measurement for a suit till the finishing. I have a tutorial on that, so you might need to register for my tutorial. And also, you can join the membership by clicking the join part of this video to join my membership, and then you have access to the full tutorial. Okay, so you can see how it is now. Just try as much as you can to upgrade your skills. You need to upgrade your skills. Okay, so you can just turn and start the other sleeve as well. Suit making is very easy, one of the easiest in my opinion, one of the easiest. However, you just need the right mentor to mentor you in suit making, and of course I'm here to do that. So you have two ways. Is either I'm going to leave the link to my WhatsApp channel, or I'm going to leave my number in the description of this video. You can chat me up on WhatsApp, or you can just hit the join button under this video to join my YouTube membership, and you are going to get the full videos of how to sew a suit from the beginning to the end, about 23 to 24 videos on suit making, only on suit making. So either one you want to join, it's on you. So that's that. So you can see how I'm ironing it. It's quite easy. So this is going to give your suit shoulder a very nice finishing. You can see, you turn, you do different. It's going to give, then you iron the side. Now you iron the sleeve to make it lie down. So this is going to give your suit a perfect finishing. Okay, and remember the tailor's ham I have about, I'm going to show you all the tailor's ham I have. I have about maybe 3 of them, and I'm planning to do more because I want to have them for different sizes of suits, so that whatever suit I want to do, I should have them. Okay, you can see it. So you just cool it down and you turn and do the same thing for the back. Do the same thing to the back. Like this. I had to do a little voicing for this so it is clear. So that's that. So you can just iron the down of the sleeve as well. Like I said, if you've watched up to this point, you are the real MVPs. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment section. What do you think about this video? Just see something in the comment section. Okay, so you can see how it is. You can see how it is. So this is the tailor's ham. This is the bigger one, this is the slimmer one, and the shorter one. You can see for a slimmer suit, you can see it for a slimmer suit, and then this is for a bigger suit. Okay, like I said, I have another one which is bigger than them all. This is it. It's very big, bigger than all of them. I hardly use it because I only make a very big suit of that size. Okay, so that's that. So this is used for a lot of things. You get, it's used for a lot of, you can see used for when you want to iron this part of your suit. That's when you need to use this. And also when you are making trousers, when you want to open press, there are some places that you cannot comfortably lay down flat on the table to iron. That's where this longer one comes into play. These longer and slimmer ones come into play. In fact, I'm planning to do a very slimmer one that can get into parts of the suit where this fatter one cannot get into. So I'm planning to do a very slimmer one. So my carpenter just made this for me. He made the 2 of them. I've forgotten how much, but it's quite affordable. Okay, so you can see the use. This is how to finish a suit, guys. This is how to finish a suit. You can see the difference between you who is making a suit and me who makes a suit and you think it's ready-made is just my finishing. And by finishing, I mean the buttonholes, the ironing. You can see I'm taking my time to iron. I've cut about a good number of these videos to get to 12 minutes. When I'm ironing my suit, I take about 30 minutes to 45 minutes just ironing the suit. So you can't compare the finishing of my suit to yours that you just took 5 minutes ironing. It's not possible. So take your time ironing your suit and you see the difference, I promise you. So that's that. Okay. So basically that's it. So I'm ironing the middle joining at the back pattern now. You can see it. Like I said, this is a very important part of suit making, but the funny thing is a lot of suit makers ignore this part, which is funny. You can see how it is now. I wish I showed you the before and then now the after. You can see it. You can see how clean it is, guys. That's it. So let me just wear it so that you see the outcome, how it looks on my body after the ironing. Let me show you how it looks after the ironing. You can see it. You can see it. See how circle it is. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in the next one.